Hi, my name's Katie.
And my name is Corbin.
And today we'll be talking about Newton's laws of motion.
Sir Isaac Newton was an English scientist and mathematician from the 1600s. He is most widely known for his discovery of gravity, as an apple fell from the tree he was sitting under, and depending on different sources, may or may not have hit him in the head.
This occurrence led to Newton's study of gravity and the creation of his laws of motion. In 1687, he published the findings of his 3 laws of motion. This can be proven using a ball. As you can see, if I place the ball on this table, it stays in place. But if I add additional force by pushing it, it moves. You may be asking, why did the ball stop moving after you pushed it?
The slowing down and stopping of the ball is due to gravity,
which is equal to negative 9.8 meters per second squared.
And friction, which occurs when 2 objects touch and the touch causes a decrease in the velocity of the moving object.
All motion is depicted by objects when they continue doing what they're doing, when affected by an unbalanced power such as friction or gravity. In the event that an object is at rest, it will stay at rest unless acted upon.
And the next law we will address
is Newton's second law. Newton's second law of motion relates to the movement of items where power is imbalanced. The law expresses that the increasing speed of an item is reliant upon 2 factors: the net force,
the total of all forces acting on an object,
and mass.
Basically, the heavier an item is, the more force it will require to move and accelerate. In this experiment, we are using a lacrosse ball and an inflatable beach ball. The lacrosse ball has a heavier mass than the beach ball. As I gently blow on the objects, you notice the beach ball moves and the lacrosse ball remains relatively stationary. This is due to the weight difference.
Yes, but remember, mass is not the only determinant of acceleration. If the force acting on an object increases, so does the acceleration. Newton's third law of motion states that when 2 objects interact, both items exert the same amount of force onto each other in opposite directions. This law, like me in middle school, is often misunderstood.
The force applied to an object is the same amount of force that the object applies back. These are called action/reaction pairs.
This law can be demonstrated through a lacrosse ball being bounced on the ground.
Basically, if something impacts something else while force is being applied, the force pushes both objects in the opposite direction that they were hit.
So that's it. That's Newton's laws of motion. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope y'all enjoyed.